guys, I'm in my storage unit, and this is like the only thing, well, one of the only things left. This, and we have just this. So I found an owner for this, so I'm gonna give this away as well. My aunt ended up not wanting it, so, well, I talked to her about it. I do want my boogie board. But yeah, so I need to clear this off and break it down, put it in my car. It's crazy that I have that many clothes, but half of them are work, half of them are every day. So this is the rack. I bought this on Amazon for like $70, and it served its purpose. Now I have to break it down because I don't think, I mean, where can it go in my room without looking just, she has too many clothes? So I'm gonna break it down for the time being. I do like this though, so whenever I get an apartment on my own, I'll have this in there for all my various clothing. Like, that broke down so beautifully. That was less than 2 minutes. So easy. Okay, push this to my car. Okay guys, it's all the way empty. Last trip. That's it, we are done. It's clean. I mean, I didn't do anything in here, so I don't have to sweep or anything. There's literally nothing in here. So that is all. Where's my lock? I'll take my lock with me. That's it. Okay guys, taking some clothes to Plato's. I normally take clothes all the time, but somebody left a comment in my video was like about Plato's closet. Honestly, I wasn't even thinking about Plato's because they be tripping a lot of the time. Thank you, but I'm gonna try it today. Okay guys, so I made $27.14. So yeah, they only took 7 items, so I still have a bag full of clothes, and out of the 7 items, $27 were made. A lot of stuff in here. That's interesting. A lot of this stuff I did get it from Goodwill as well, but a lot of stuff I'm surprised. Like, this is Fashion Nova. It still has like this right here. I can't believe they didn't take this right here. It's got the tag on it. It's a wraparound shirt. Like, what? That's recent too. They didn't take my New York and Company, but I get it. They have a little style thing that they're going by, so it's cool. I'm happy they got those 7 items. I made some change, but I think I'm gonna order me some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna have Chick-fil-A for dinner. Go on Panera Bread. Chick-fil-A or Panera Bread? 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 Let me go check the balances on my gift cards. Chick-fil-A won. I have 550 points. That means I can get an 8-count nugget. I think I can get a sandwich. I'm trying to see, am I gonna get extra nuggets? I want a grill count nugget. I think there's more. I think I'm about to get a kids meal, but get like a, what they had, a watermelon, a strawberry lemonade, a strawberry sweet. I don't know. I'm about to figure this out. But I know I'm getting Chick-fil-A. I have enough points for an entree, but I think I'm gonna get a kids meal as well. Something like that. Okay, y'all, so my aunt just brought me my Amazon packages. This lighting is not doing this justice because it's very much vibrant. Like, this is like a lime green, but it's not coming up like that. I don't know why. Maybe it is, I don't know. But it's really nice. I love it. I bought it on Amazon. I think it was like $10. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect noodle. Yeah, it's cloth, water resistant. I love it. I feel like my camera's not doing it justice. Like, it looks so good. What if I showed y'all? Nah, it's still coming. It's still coming. Like, my shirt is so bright, and my shirt doesn't even look the color that it is. Like, my shirt is like out there, electric, and it's looking like a little dull lemon. But no, this is popping. It's not showing a color. That's so random. I don't know what to do. Yeah, it's just not picking up the vibrancy. I also ordered these vines on the internet, so I'm gonna put them on that wall right there. And I have these clear hooks. Somebody left some up there, but I have more clear hooks. I'm gonna hang these on the wall. To update y'all on what my room is looking like since last night. So I went and put all my clothes in here. Don't worry, I like to color coordinate my clothes, so from, you know, the lightest color to the darkest. I will do that soon. So I start with like white and then pales, and then it just kind of works on. But yeah, I need some sort of shoe organization, but I just threw all the shoes in that bin. And I think I want a separated laundry cart to go in the bathroom. But I don't know yet. So that's that. Also went through my purses. So these are the ones I decided to keep. I am giving some to my friends. We already discussed it. So those purses down there go to them. We had a whole discussion on it. Yeah, these stickers I got from Dollar Tree. These at the bottom here, 1, 2, 3, 4 was a set. And these ones at the top were a set, and those little ones were also part of that one. But yeah, so both of these stickers came from Dollar Tree. It's like the room something. I still have the paper. If you go to like the decor section, Main Street Wall Creations, jumbo stickers, they're removable and won't harm the walls. So that's that. And I got 2 different sets, so I kind of like them. Kind of makes it look like they're sitting on the shelf depending on what angle you choose. But also I bought these vines on Amazon, and I did put some lights up. I am gonna add little pink flowers to it, so stay tuned for that. And again, you guys just saw I added, there are 3 on this one. It came with 12 in a pack, and I think it was like $14, $11, I don't know. So I put 3 on this one, and I kind of like it. And for my bathroom, I think I put 3 up here as well. So that's just 3. And I'm waiting on my bath mats that I ordered on eBay. So it's gonna be 1 there, 1 there, and then 1 here. And they're gonna be light pink. So working out, I'm looking for some storage, some clear storage organizers that have height to put my things on. I remember one of my last videos, somebody was like, you need to put some of that stuff in the drawers. But I'm like, why would I have to pull it out every day if I'm gonna use it every single day? So I'm working on some clear storage organizers. So this is stuff I use like every single day. It's like easy to grab. You know, put sunscreen on my face every day. You know, all this stuff is everyday stuff. So I just want it to look better. So I've been looking for those. So I kind of like it. The bathroom is very gardeny. So loving that. I just need to finish this stuff up. I gave away a lot. It doesn't probably look like it, but I gave away a whole lot of decor stuff. I decided to keep this. I may put this in the bathroom. I don't know how that's working, but I have this because it goes with my little succulent theme, which is not good yet. And then we have these gold frames that I decided to keep, but I gave away quite a bit of them. So yeah. Room updates. So I just put together my shoe rack that I bought on Amazon, I think for like $18 or $19. Show y'all the box. Okay, it was the Seville shoe rack chrome. I bought this on Amazon. Looks like this. So like you can see the little handles. It just came with very simple things to put it together. It's the 3-tier expandable shoe rack. So you get just the 6 bars and the 2 panels and 12 screws. I don't even have a Phillips screwdriver, so I use my handy dandy butter knife. I don't use this one for food or nothing. This one is strictly for projects. That's why it's all bent up. I still have so much space. I just put my flats and stuff at the bottom, and I still have 2 rows left. If you stack shoes, you can get way more than 21 pairs on here. At the bottom of it is 6 pairs at the moment, but I don't even think it's at the full maximum expanding. I think it can still expand quite a bit, but it seems sturdy. Should not break on your girl because my last one was trash. So I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna end the vlog just on some changes that I've made because I have cleared all the junk, y'all. The junk is gone. It's been given to Goodwill. It's been given away. It has just found new homes that do not live in this dorm. And just a little quick updates. My couch. Yeah, so the couch, living room area. I still have not put up my pictures, but for the most part, everything has been taken care of. I've cleared counters. You know, we have this together. Those are just drinks. They're giving away like a lot of drinks during move-in, so I stocked up. Yeah, I really stocked up. Just lots of drinks and stuff. But yeah, I have air fryer. I cooked in it the first time yesterday. Made some salmon, rice, and broccoli. Okay. I finally put my tapestry up. Or did I have that? I don't know. I put flowers. This pretty much stayed the same. Nothing has really changed too much in this area. In the bathroom, flowers were added to that. Got all my bath mats in. These are from eBay. And lastly, I got this new laundry cart. So it's 3 hampers. It's really cool because just select the one you want to take to the laundry room, or you can just roll the cart. I think I have it on lock right now, but you could definitely roll this whole cart, and I have done that already. You just pick up the entire bag. It's not, you know, just pick it up, carry it to the laundry room. Yes, so That's new as well. And I also bought this on Amazon, so it will definitely be linked below if you're interested. But yeah, I got my bath mats. These are from eBay. I think I paid $20. 3 bath mats, and they're a great size. This one is really large. I got this clear organizer from Amazon as well. So yeah. So just in closing, a room tour is definitely coming with all the new things and everything like that. I just really need to put my pictures up at this point. Put my pictures up and show you guys everything. I'm going to be detailed in where I got things from. But everything that I mentioned in this video that I got recently is linked below. Be on the lookout for my back to school giveaway. I am a little bit behind, y'all. I'm just a little bit overwhelmed. This is my final year. Classes are expected to be harder than ever before, and I'm taking 2 graduate level classes that are going to count towards my undergrad degree and my graduate degree. So I'm really trying to focus, but I just want to let y'all know that I haven't fell off the face of the earth and that more content is coming. I definitely want to do more college related videos about that, and I guess I'm gonna do an experience video about how, you know, college has been for me, and do I think it's worth it, and all of that. So stay tuned, everyone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget about your girl. Bye.